Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage your freelance taxes with TurboTax, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by gathering all your freelance income documents. This includes invoices, payment receipts, and bank statements. Next, keep track of your expenses throughout the year. This can include software subscriptions, office supplies, and any materials you purchase for your work. Sign up for a TurboTax account if you haven't already. Choose the version that best suits your needs, typically TurboTax Self-Employed for freelancers. Once logged in, select Start a new tax return. Follow the prompts to input your personal information. Be prepared to answer questions about your freelance work. This will help TurboTax understand your tax situation better. Enter all your income information in the provided sections. Make sure you report every source of income accurately. Next, navigate to the Expenses section. Here, you can enter your deductible business expenses. TurboTax provides a variety of categories for you to choose from. Make sure you categorize your expenses correctly. As you input your expenses, keep track of any receipts or documentation. TurboTax may ask to verify your expenses later. After all income and expenses are entered, TurboTax will calculate your net profit. This is the amount you'll be taxed on. Review your return carefully before submitting. Look for any alerts or suggestions TurboTax provides. These can help you maximize deductions or avoid mistakes. If you're unsure about any aspect of your return, consider using TurboTax's resources. They have helpful articles and support available for your questions. Once everything is correct, proceed to e-file your tax return. Make sure to set up direct deposit for any potential refunds. After filing, keep a copy of your return and all supporting documents. This will be essential should you need to reference them in the future. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.